round, we're going to play a game called Two Truths, One Lie. You might have played this game. There'll be 3 incidences of their lives which will come up on your screen. And you need to identify which of the 3 incidents is a lie. So first up, let's start with Parikshit. Okay.
Basically, these guys have to catch my lie, right?
You have to catch a lie.
Bring it on.
Okay? Let's see what are the 3 incidents in Parikshit's life. Number 1, he got deported. Option number 2 is first job was an RJ. His first job was an RJ. And number 3, holds a world record. Okay. Yeah. So now you can ask random questions. Your duty is to ask questions, figure out what is the lie. Based your questions, everybody will understand what the lie is, okay? We will be having 15 questions coming up. First question coming up. Let's go.
Where did you get deported from?
Argentina.
Argentina? Okay.
Question 1 is done. Question number 2.
How much was your first salary? How much did you earn?
6,000 rupees. No, wait.
Conviction के साथ.
6,000 rupees. I remember it because this is the question I was asked.
Okay. Question number 3.
What kind of world record you have?
What kind of what?
World record.
World record. I hold a world record for 195 hours live radio
What?
without sleeping.
Who was 195 hours?
I would totally believe that.
195 hours of live
I have a
radio.
question. So in that 195 hours, there were people listening
There
constantly.
were people listening or not, we were talking.
Acha, okay.
But there were also, it was a radio relay. So I did for some hours, then somebody else did. So it was broadcasting live for 195
But
hours.
you have a record. I mean,
Yeah.
that's the thing. Okay, question number 4.
Why did you get deported?
Oh.
Because my wife thought we don't need a visa for Argentina. We landed there, she's right there.
Oh, what?
We landed, so if you go to Brazil and you take a flight from Argentina, they don't check visas for you. They just let you board. And once we landed there, the immigration officer looked at the passport and said, "Where's your visa?" Well, my wife said, "No, you don't know, we don't need visa." She's like, "Madam, I'm the immigration officer."
Okay. Yeah, number 6. Question number 6.
Which year did you get this world record?
In 2009.
2009.
2009.
Wow. Okay. 6.
I'll ask one.
Go ahead.
What age was your first job?
First job was around 16.
Okay, 16. Okay. Let's go. Question
Which
number 7.
radio station were you at when you won this world record?
The world record was done in Jaipur in a radio station called Tadka.
Okay.
It was a Rajasthan Patrika radio station.
Question number 8. Let's go.
What was the name of your first company?
What was the name of my first company?
Yeah.
My first job was done in 94.3 My FM. I used to do the afternoon show.
Okay, next up, let's now put that question up on your screen. You need to guess the lie from the 3. Let's put it up on your screen. Let's go. 3 incidences, 2 truths, 1 lie. I'm standing center. Got deported, holds a world record, first job as an RJ. Let's see which one is it. Okay. Ruk jao, we'll speak it. Let's see. Pari will tell us his history and story about what is the lie, so it's okay. We can wait. Guys, come on. Oh! Damn!
Well done, guys.
Yeah.
Well done.
Wait. How did I guess it? Okay.
But why are you angry about it? You got it right.
Sorry. Okay.
Don't Bola. Yeah, this is the point.
So, Pari did get deported, that's true. Thanks to Toshita, wherever you are. He has a world record, guys. He has 195 hours. Which record? That is not asked.
Do you guys know what a Limca is?
Limca Books of World Records.
There used to be like Guinness Book of World Record, but Guinness used to charge a lot of money. They still charge a lot of money if you want to get their names in the books.
Yeah.
So Limca was cheaper, so we went with Limca Book of World Records.
Yeah, only Dubai can afford it, but okay. Your first job. What's the truth about the first job? What was your first job?
So my first job was, I was working in a call center in Jodhpur. I was very young. I was 11 years old.
11 years.
11 years old. My second job was I used to sell mobile phones. I'm sure people in their 30s won't, probably people above 30 would know. Reliance, how many people know Reliance in India? They launched a phone called the CDMA phone with the blue backlight.
Millennials in the house.
Do you remember
Yeah.
that? Millennials, do you remember that? I used to sell those phones. How many of you know I used to go for 500 rupees? Perfect. So I used to sell those and I almost got murdered because of that.
Wait, what?
Murdered.
Murdered.
Because if you know you bought a phone for 500 rupees, there was a glitch and the bill used to come like 10,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees. People know that?
What?
I once went into almost like a butcher shop to sell the phone. They closed the door and they told me, phone to theek hai, ye jo bill aaya, ye kaun tera baap bharega?
What? And that was age 11.
No, that was around 12, 12 and a half.
Okay.
They almost put a knife on my neck and said, who's going to pay the bill? I somehow survived. I ran from there.
Wow.
Yeah, we figured that out. You
I
saw it.
think. Wow.
Next, two truths and one lie.